Hello friends and welcome. Today I am super excited to be sharing with you my fall home tour of 2020. We are going to go inside and have a closer look at all the fall farmhouse decor that's throughout my house. My style is a rustic modern farmhouse, and I'm hoping to give you tons of inspiration for your own fall home decor. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and if this is your first time stopping by my channel, my name is Sonja, and on my channel, on this channel, you will find lots of home cleaning and decor inspiration. I would love to have you subscribe and join my YouTube family. So let's get all nice and cozy, grab a hot cocoa or a coffee, and let's get right into it. One of my favorite areas to decorate for fall and Christmas is my front porch. I love to go all out and make it all nice and cozy. This year I added some fall pumpkins, and this is a first time for me because usually I prefer the real ones, but I don't have my kids aren't interested in carving the pumpkins or anything like that, and I just wanted to get the front porch decorated nice and early, and I was worried that the real pumpkins would go bad by the time Thanksgiving and Halloween rolled around. So I also added lots of colorful and different size mums, and I just think this just screams fall. If you have any questions where anything had come from, leave me a question down in the comments, because I don't want to repeat myself. In case if you watched my fall decorate with me's where I decorated different areas of my home, including the front porch, I will have all those videos linked down below, and a lot of the information is there as well, but I don't mind answering any questions that you might have. So let's go inside. As you come inside, in my entryway, it's 2-story, and there is a bench and a Bombay chest. I am using traditional colors this year, and I wanted everything to feel warm and cozy. In my decor, I'm using tons of different pillows and blankets, and everything has that rust color of like a burnt color of yellow and orange, and lots of different textures. Over on my Bombay chest, I try and keep it as simple as possible. So I'm using this vase, a large vase with these beautiful burnt colored florals, and a nice and rustic pumpkin, and of course a nice smelling fall candle. As we turn over to the right is my formal living room, and one of my favorite rooms to spend time in and relax. It gets tons of mid-morning natural light, and it just feels so cozy. I just love the way this fireplace looks. I created a garland with a lot of different greenery, fall greenery, and I just think it turned out so pretty. I absolutely love this table setting. I think it gives that rustic feel, and I love that pumpkin. The side table, I just kept it nice and simple and added my candle, the wax melter, which is a pumpkin, great for fall. Moving on to my dining room, I find my dining room is very traditional, which maybe one day I will change that. But I kept it very simple. I have actually not decorated my hot coffee station or fall coffee station yet, which is coming this week at the end of the week. But I just, like I said, kept it very simple with some signs, and I made this beautiful arrangement on my table with tons of different colored pumpkins and also tons of different textured pumpkins, and I just think it looks absolutely stunning. Moving on to the kitchen and the eating area, I like to keep it very simple. I have this wreath, which is a new one for me. I have never decorated my hood before, but I like to keep it very simple in the kitchen, since it is the heart of my home and lots of hustle and bustle happens here. So I do not want it to clutter up my counters too much. I like to decorate trays, and over on my kitchen table I kept everything decorated on the tray because it's easy to move when I need to move it, since this is the table where we eat pretty much all of our meals. I really wanted my fall decor to feel warm and cozy, which I keep repeating myself, and I think I really achieved that, especially in my family room, where I am using all the rust and natural colors, and also use different textures to give you that cozy feeling. Over on my fireplace, I think this is the least amount of decor that I have ever added to a fireplace, but I have just love the way this fireplace turned out. Love using hay for that natural element, and this porcupine pumpkin is just absolutely stunning, and I think I love it more this year than I did last year. And of course, the showstopper is my 3-tier tray, which I am so in love with the way I decorated it this year. I will have that video linked down below as well. I am adding these beautiful rust color pillows that I had DIY'd. I don't actually have a video for that, but I had purchased a curtain at a thrift store and then just created some pillows for it, and I think it just adds that punch of fall into my decor. And then I added all of these natural colored pumpkins to dye that, to give that warm feeling. I hope that you have enjoyed my home tour. I hope it gave you tons of inspiration, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're first time stopping by my channel, I would love it, like I mentioned before, for you to subscribe, press the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my upcoming videos. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.